Okay, so another quick tip, my puller would not fit that I have, so I had to use the balancer puller, and if you put some long bolts on there with a good end on them, I don't know if that's going to get fuzzy there, out of focus, probably. And take your time, you can pull off the crank pulley that way. And the other thing I had to do, another tip, I had to do this to get that crank pulley all the way on. It was just a bugger. So, and I know the chain isn't on, I'm just making sure it lines up. So what you can do is use your long crank bolt, a washer, an old pulley, and then I've got a piece of pipe in there, exhaust pipe, and because of that, I know, and I watched, of course, the crank did not turn as I tightened it down. So there's a couple more tips for you, and we'll keep it going. We should be done soon.